Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hi viewers. Today Sarah will give a presentation on commonly used English sentences. Listen carefully and make sure to practice these at home.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 10 years old. I live in USA. I am in 5th grade. My school's name is Bloomfield. I like to play with my friends. My favorite color is pink. I have one brother. I have a pet. It's a dog. My favorite food is pizza. I like to read books. I enjoy watching TV. My favorite show is Frog and Toad. I like to go to the park. I love animals. My favorite animal is dog. I like to play soccer. I like to listen to music. I play a musical instrument. I enjoy drawing and coloring. My best friend's name is Zara. I like playing video games. I go to school every day. My favorite subject is English. I love to learn new things. I am good at problem solving. I like to help my parents. I help to clean my room. I like eating breakfast. I wake up early for school. I take the bus to school. I walk to school. I play outside during recess. I like to learn from my teachers. I enjoy doing arts and crafts. I have a lot of classmates. I enjoy solving puzzles. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. My favorite book is Matilda. I love going to the park. I enjoy swimming. I like riding my bike. I enjoy playing soccer. I play basketball with my friends. I love cooking. I enjoy singing songs. I like going on family trips. My favorite season is winter. I like winter because of snow. I enjoy playing in the rain. I love playing with toys. I have a favorite toy. It's a bear. I like to ride the swings. I enjoy running and playing tag. I help set the table at home. I eat dinner with my family. I do my homework after school. I enjoy baking with my parents. I clean up after playing. I like visiting my grandparents. I enjoy going to the zoo. I want to visit new places. I like to travel by car. I like to fly on airplanes. I enjoy going camping. I like hiking in nature. I love playing board games. I enjoy learning new words. I want to learn a new language. I can speak 3 languages. I practice English every day. I like telling stories. I love asking questions. I want to make new friends. I enjoy meeting new people. I like eating ice cream. My favorite dessert is brownie. I enjoy visiting the playground. I like going to the movies. I enjoy going to birthday parties. I like making crafts with my hands. I like to take care of my pet. I love exploring new places. I help my parents with chores. I enjoy painting pictures. I like wearing colorful clothes. I love watching cartoons. My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. I help my little brother. I want to be an artist when I grow up. I love playing outside in the sun. I enjoy going on adventures. I enjoy playing hide and seek. I like building things with blocks. I enjoy riding my scooter. I like learning about the world. I like drawing pictures of animals. I love going to amusement parks. I enjoy spending time with my family. I like to make people laugh.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!